Use to get element by ID method to target the element with the ID attribute with the value of input val property of the current object. Then use the remove method on that element to remove it from the DOM after the delay. Okay, I guess we have to write the document, then call the method. Mm. We have to target the element with the ID, which is the obj in the input val, but it also says here to remove the method on that element to remove it from the DOM after the delay. Ooh. I guess we have to change in here. Ooh.